ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Swati here and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 am to 8 pm for any question, queries and support to elderly. Now today, So here I welcome Mr. K.L. Rao to have a talk on Sir Moksha Gundam Vishveshwarai. So now it's over to Mr. K.L. Rao. Sir, I really liked your all the talks. Thank you so much for the wonderful your all the talks. So please, it's over to Mr. K.L. Rao.
Moksha Gundam Vishveshwaraya was born on September 15th, 1860 in the Muddinahalli village of Karnataka. He completed his school in his hometown and later he completed Bachelor of Arts from University of Madras. Vishveshwaraya's fate took a major turn when he switched to a different career path and pursued a diploma in civil engineering at the College of Science in Pune. After the completion of the course, he undertook various challenging projects and surprised many by producing remarkable results. When he was 30, the British government proclaimed the title of Sir. Popularly known as Sir M.V., Vishveshwaraya was credited for helming the hugely challenging flood protection system in Hyderabad, which later went on to become a benchmark for various such projects in the country. He successfully created the system and also played a crucial role in delivering a nothing impossible system which could protect the Visakhapatnam port from sea erosion. He was the chief engineer in the project of the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam, which was built on River Kaveri. In 1955, Government of India awarded him the highest award, Bharat Ratna, for his exemplary contribution to the country. He was brilliant and he was genius. His father was Srinivasa Shastri and his mother was Venkatalakshmamma. And their ancestors were from Mokshagundam, a small place in Prakasam district of Andhra Pradesh. But at the time of his birth, he was there in Karnataka. He was Diwan at Mysore Maharajas. From 1912 to 1919, he was worked there as Diwan. When Moksha Gundam Vishveshwaraya was 100 years age, a postal stamp was released by Government of India in his respecting him. He passed away in the year 1962 on April 12th. I wish the present generation should know about the greatness of this brilliant engineer, Mokshagundam Vishweswaraya.
Thank you so much for sharing your talk, sir. We enjoyed. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too enjoyed the program. Stay tuned to Hidiyaravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.